Chennai 19, Tiruvottiyur, one of the most historic locations that make up this city. It was in 1938 that the Murugappa family, which had been in Madras for some time, began to take interest in manufacturing and started a company known as Ajax for the manufacture of steel security equipment in Tiruvottiyur. The Second World War then came along, and then there was a great shortage of abrasives in the city and in the country, which is when Ajax morphed into an abrasives making company, which eventually became CUMI, Carborundum Universal in Tiruvottiyur. Having laid roots in the Tiruvottiyur area, the next step was naturally education. The Murugappa Group took over a district board school that had been set up over there and transformed it into the AMM Vellayan Chettiar school, named after the second son of Diwan Bahadur, AMM Murugappa Chettiar. It still remains one of the best educational facilities in that area.